welcome all to our KTern Digital Roadshow 2022. I'm feeling good to meet my SAP friends through this webcast, and thanks to my dear and respected speakers who are part of this webcast and roadshow. Nanda Gopal from SAP, Philip from 10th Pin, and Lev from UiPath. Sincerely thank you guys to be part of this roadshow. You have a great roadshow. Let's share the SAP learning, and hopefully it helps you out there in your intelligent enterprise journey. Hope you'll continue to embrace automation-driven productivity. Have a great digital weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thanks for being part of the Digital Roadshow by KTern. I am excited to be here. I've seen the lineup of speakers. I'm pretty sure if you attend all the sessions, there are great learnings, not only in terms of how you can work with KTern, or even otherwise look at how innovations from partners help SAP and its customers to achieve their business goals. Over the next 15 minutes or so, I will speak a little bit about what I personally see happening in the industry beyond some of the statistics. Then I'll talk about how SAP helps customers overcome this and transform digitally. And then we will briefly look at how the partner opportunities evolve for the innovation ecosystem that SAP works with. And we will end with some of the options that you have work with if you want to work with SAP and take it further. So with that, basically I am Nanda Gopal Prasad. I am heading an organization inside SAP called SAP Partner Innovation Lifecycle Services. While we can look at some of the statistics in this start, in the slide, you have obviously an increasing usage of SaaS applications. Everybody when they talk, I thank all of you for listening. I really hope you also checked out all the other speakers and the sessions as well, and I've got a lot of insights. And thanks for the opportunity. I was happy to be part of the Digital Roadshow by KTern, and wish you the rest of the sessions, and hope to see you sometime in the partner summits or any of the other ones which SAP continues to engage more and more with partners.
Welcome. My name is Philip Zueck, and I am the Global Head of Technology and Innovation at 10th Pin, and based in the USA. We are a global management consulting company focusing on the life science industry. I want to thank KTern for organizing this excellent Digital Roadshow 2022 and inviting me to host a session. Since many years, we are a partner of KTern, and they are an important pillar of our S/4HANA implementation delivery. With that said, I am excited about today's sessions. So how do we drive this with SAP together? We as 10th Pin, we have an innovation center. So we see ourselves as an advisor, a catalyst for innovation and an enabler. And this innovation center, we work with partners. So for example, here I highlighted KTern as one of our key partners. And because they are also hosting today this Digital Roadshow, but we are working also heavily together with SAP. As mentioned, we are running different co-innovations. We are trying to utilize the SAP platform and technology and realize these co-innovations to build basically the best co-innovations, which are not only technology focused, but also have our industry expertise and the client's industry expertise to run these co-innovations. And these I wanted to cover today. I hope it was interesting for you.